In the warm embrace of a balmy evening, as the sun dips below the horizon and twilight descends, a familiar hum begins to fill the air. It's the gentle, yet persistent, drone of one of the world's tiniest terrors, the mosquito. As these seemingly innocuous creatures emerge from the shadows, we embark on a journey to unravel the depths of their danger to humanity. Our exploration starts with a glimpse into the world of mosquitoes, creatures that have been part of Earth's tapestry for millions of years. From the tropical rainforests to the urban jungles, mosquitoes have mastered the art of survival, finding their niche in almost every corner of the globe. Mosquitoes are adept at adapting to a wide range of habitats, from stagnant ponds and marshlands to bustling cities. Their resilience is astonishing, allowing them to thrive in environments that would challenge most other organisms. Yet, it is their interaction with humans that brings forth the question of their danger. To comprehend the extent of their peril, we must first understand the life cycle of a mosquito. Their existence is a testament to nature's intricate design. Female mosquitoes, the ones responsible for the infamous itchy bites, lay their eggs in standing water. These eggs hatch into larvae, which then metamorphose into pupae. Finally, they emerge as adults, ready to continue the cycle. The lifespan of a mosquito is relatively short, ranging from a few weeks to a few months. Depending on the species and environmental conditions, this brevity contrasts sharply with the long-lasting impact they can have on human populations. One of the remarkable aspects of mosquitoes is their size, more accurately, their lack of it. The average mosquito measures a mere 3 to 6 millimeters in length, making them nearly invisible until they make their presence known with that telltale, high-pitched whine. But it's not their size that renders mosquitoes dangerous. It's their propensity to transmit deadly diseases. These tiny terrors are vectors for a plethora of pathogens that can wreak havoc on human health. Let's delve into some of the most menacing diseases that mosquitoes carry and transmit. Malaria, a word that strikes fear into the hearts of millions, is among the deadliest diseases attributed to mosquitoes. The parasites responsible for malaria, primarily Plasmodium species, are transmitted through the bite of infected female Anopheles mosquitoes. Once inside the human body, these parasites invade red blood cells, causing severe symptoms such as fever, chills, and anemia. If left untreated, malaria can be fatal. Another notorious mosquito-borne disease is Zika virus infection. First identified in the Zika forest of Uganda, this virus gained worldwide attention due to its association with severe birth defects, particularly microcephaly in infants born to infected mothers. Aedes mosquitoes, particularly Aedes aegypti, are the culprits behind Zika's rapid spread. Dengue fever, a painful and potentially deadly disease, is also transmitted by Aedes mosquitoes. Its symptoms range from high fever and severe headache to joint and muscle pain. In severe cases, dengue can progress to dengue hemorrhagic fever, which can be fatal. Chikungunya, an emerging viral disease, shares its transmission vector with dengue and Zika, the Aedes mosquito. Its name, derived from the Kimakond language of Tanzania, means to become contorted due to the excruciating joint pain it causes. While not usually fatal, chikungunya can lead to long-lasting joint issues. Yellow fever, a disease with a notorious history, is transmitted by the Aedes mosquito as well, specifically Aedes aegypti. This viral infection can cause jaundice, high fever, and internal bleeding, earning it the name yellow fever. In severe cases, yellow fever can be fatal. West Nile virus, primarily transmitted by Culex mosquitoes, is another concerning mosquito-borne disease. While many infections are mild, severe cases can lead to neurological complications, including encephalitis and meningitis. These are just a few examples of the diseases mosquitoes can transmit, and the list goes on. The danger lies not only in the potential for severe illness, but also in the sheer number of people affected. Mosquito-borne diseases collectively account for millions of infections and hundreds of thousands of deaths worldwide each year. The way mosquitoes transmit diseases is a fascinating yet sinister process. When a female mosquito feeds on the blood of an infected host, she takes in the pathogens along with the blood. These pathogens then replicate within the mosquito's body, eventually migrating to the salivary glands. When the mosquito feeds again, this time on an uninfected host, it injects a small amount of saliva that contains the pathogens, effectively transmitting the disease. The dangers posed by mosquitoes extend beyond the transmission of diseases. Their incessant biting can lead to discomfort, allergic reactions, and secondary infections from scratching. In regions where mosquitoes are abundant, these nuisances can have a profound impact on daily life, disrupting sleep and outdoor activities. To protect themselves from mosquito bites and the associated dangers, humans have developed a variety of strategies. These range from the use of insect repellents and bed nets to the introduction of genetically modified mosquitoes designed to reduce disease transmission. Yet, the battle against these tiny terrors continues as mosquitoes adapt to new environments and develop resistance to control measures. One of the mysteries surrounding mosquitoes' danger lies in their uncanny ability to find their victims. These stealthy insects are equipped with an array of finely tuned sensors that enable them to home in on their hosts. Carbon dioxide is one of the primary cues that lead mosquitoes to their prey. When we exhale, we release CO2 into the air, creating a scent trail that mosquitoes can detect from a considerable distance. In addition to CO2, mosquitoes are drawn to body heat, body odor, and even the scent of certain skin chemicals. They use these sensory cues to pinpoint their target, making them formidable hunters in the quest for their next meal and potential disease transmission. As our journey through the world of mosquitoes comes to an end, one thing becomes clear: the danger they pose is not to be underestimated. While individually small and seemingly insignificant, the collective impact of mosquitoes on human health and well-being is immense. Leading organizations in public health, including the World Health Organization (WHO) and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), consider mosquitoes to be among the most dangerous species to humans due to their role in transmitting numerous deadly diseases. From the transmission of deadly diseases to the daily annoyance of itchy bites, mosquitoes have earned their place as one of the most dangerous creatures on the planet. Thank you for watching.